It's been just a little over a year since MG Motors India released their first product for the Indian market, the Hector. But now they've facelifted the Hector. It's come with a raft of changes, some of them cosmetic, largely on the outside, but there's one very important change which is on the inside. Once I get into that cabin, I'll show you what exactly that is. But if you take a look over here, you've got this new pin grille, which has got these nice chrome elements up front. Again, very much inspired by what Mercedes-Benz used to do on the CLA, and effectively that's come down to the Hector as well. But looks very, very upmarket, looks very premium. I think that's a nice change. There are further changes over here. Now this is the top of the line Smart variant. Effectively this variant will get the 18-inch wheels as standard. Previously this is an option. But if you look at it closely, it's got a new alloy wheel design. The 18-inch wheels still don't fill up the wheel wells. It still looks a little small. MG could probably have gone all the way up to about 20 inches for that matter, just to make those wheel wells look full and of course give it better stance. Now with those 18-inch wheels, what I do assume also is you will get a slightly better ground clearance, but not significantly much more than what the Hector used to be. The rest of the look and feel is pretty much the same. What has also changed is the two-tone exterior body color. Again, this is on the Smart variant, and effectively the blacked out roof with some of these accents on the door handles. All of this makes the MG Hector look fairly premium, quite interesting. Another big change, of course, is that the exterior, as on the exteriors, is right here at the rear. The tailgate gets a new black applique which replaces the chrome garnish that it had previously. So now there's just a very thin chrome strip running across the black applique plate out here. Otherwise, everything else remains the same. Now, on the interiors, you've got two-tone interiors. Again, continues on the inside as well. Let me just take you in there and show you what that looks like. Inside this cabin, one of the biggest changes, of course, is this two-tone upholstery that you can see with the black shades on top and the beige shades on the lower end of the dashboard. Again, the seats are the two-tone upholstery as well over there. It's a nice combination, makes this cabin look a little more fresher, more spacious, a lot more roomy than before. I think that's also a mark of how premium this cabin has got over time. There are several other features that you get in addition with the raft of changes that have come in the new MG Hector. One, of course, is the charging pad out there for you to charge your smartphones. You can just place the phone down there and it's charging. Now, the biggest change, however, is in the voice commands. Keep in mind, with the whole Internet Inside campaign that MG had started off with the Hector, they had really touted and gone to town about how you could talk to this car, have a conversation with it and ask it to do several things for you. What they've now added to it is, a dose of English. You don't necessarily have to talk to this car in English. आप इसके साथ हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं और इस सिस्टम को हिंदी में सवाल पूछ सकते हो, कमांड्स दे सकते हो, जिससे आपके अलग फीचर्स जो है वो काम करना चालू कर देंगे. For instance, sunroof खोलो. Voila, it works. And I think that's an absolutely fantastic feature on the new Hector, that you can talk to it in Hindi. It understands you while it won't respond back to you in Hindi. मुझे गर्मी लग रही है.
Okay, temperature is low to 22 degrees.
But it will effectively understand what you're saying and asking it to do. और आपको जो करना है इसके साथ, whether you want to change music, change the tracks, switch through AM, through FM, open the sunroof, और बहुत सारे ऐसे functions हैं, because of which, I mean, this is absolutely astounding. It's the first time any manufacturer in India has gone with a feature like this, allowed their connected technology systems to converse, or rather understand Hindi. And I think that's absolutely brilliant. Well done, MG Motors.